I'd like to tell you about the most amazing penetrating lubricant that you've ever seen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a styrofoam cup, which is a grease byproduct. Then I'm going to add moisture to it. Then I'm going to take the two leading products out there today. Everybody knows PB Blaster. And what we'll do is we'll just use a little bit of this and WD-40. These are the two widely used products out there. And what we're going to do is we're just going to let this sit here. And I'm going to show you how they never penetrate moisture, but they're supposed to be penetrating lubricants. Then we're going to take our product, RG50. I'm only going to use a little bit of this. When I put this up against moisture and grease, I usually tell the people to count to 5. 1, and I beat them. Meanwhile, this product is still sitting. Now, we all grew up believing you never mix electricity and water. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a regular light bulb, a regular socket, and a little cheap extension cord. I'm going to put this in here, and then what I'll do is I'll ask people, tell me when it's wet. Okay, I know we have it wet, so what I'm going to do is take it out. I'm going to spray this with our RG50, a little on the ends. We know this is wet, and we'll spray a little of this on here. And then on the light bulb, we'll spray a little on the bulb. While this is wet, we're going to put this back together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave bare metal exposed so it can actually arc in the water. Then what we're going to do is plug this in. Normally, it would short out. But what happens if this gets real wet and then somebody steps in it? Absolutely nothing. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to take all of the product off. We're going to put this back together dry. We know it's not going to short, but with that bare metal exposed, we're going to put it back in the water and do the same thing. Absolutely nothing. Now, WD-40, PB Blaster, have been sitting here. What we're going to do, again, take just a little bit of the RG50. Going to put it in here and ask you to count to 5. Instantly goes right through the moisture and the grease, the WD-40 and the PB Blaster.